I love it.
There's a hope that's waiting for you in the dark. You should know you're beautiful just the way you are.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Charity today, and I am back with another video. And today I am doing a full face using all MILANI products, and I just think this is kind of exciting. I've never done like a one brand tutorial before, so this should be really interesting. I'm excited to see how all this play out. So if you want to see how everything turn out, everything come into play, just keep watching. As y'all can see, I already did my brows, and that's because honestly, when I was getting all this stuff and I had tried to find something for my brows, the shades they were too unrealistic for my brows. Like, the darkest shade they had was a light brown, and I felt like it just would have blended in with my skin. I don't know if it was because of the location I went to. I went to Walmart to get everything, but you know how certain locations, they don't carry the full line and they don't carry everything. So I believe that's what it was. Therefore, the first thing I'm going in with is a primer, of course. I'm taking my MILANI Prime Perfection Face Primer. This one is the hydrating and pore minimizing. It is oil free, that's what it says. So it shouldn't, if you're oily, naturally it shouldn't contribute to any of that, even though oil does combat oil. So that's what it says. And it also says it primes skin to create a smooth canvas before applying any foundation, hydrates skin and creates a natural finish, reduces redness and appearance of enlarged pores, lightweight, non-greasy feel, does not clog pores. Yeah, see, I really think I used this before. It smells like mint, like peppermint. And it has like little small beads in it. I don't know what that is. Other than that, it feels good on the skin. I love the smell of it because it smells like peppermint, and I love the smell of peppermint. So it's almost soothing in a way. I don't know if it really did anything for my pores. No, it didn't. It didn't really blur anything. My skin looked the same. My skin looked like how it looked before I even put it on. I don't know if that's a good thing or what. So I'm going to go on with my foundation next. And this is the Conceal and Perfect 2-in-1 Foundation and Concealer. I got the very darkest shade they had. It's 13 Chestnut. It says it's medium to full coverage. So it is buildable. It's a lightweight oil-free formula, and it's long wearing. Oh, it's water resistant and sweat proof. I didn't know that. It's red as all get out, and it applies different, like, because on my hand it looks like, look at my hand. Oh no, it don't. Maybe it's just the lighting then, because I swear it don't look that red over here. I like the consistency of it. Wow, I am orange. It feels like a gel, y'all. To me, of course, I feel like you can shear it out and maybe you could just take less product, but a little goes a long way. Like, I don't know if y'all saw that. A little definitely goes a long way. I like the way it blends out though. I like that about it. It blends out really nice. Like I said, it's completely full coverage. Like, I don't see any of my blemishes, any of my bumps like seeping through. Like, of course I have texture from my breakout, but other than that, it's like this is full coverage. So I got the Earthy Elements palette. It's number 5. It looks like this. I'll open it for y'all. It also, on the back, it kind of gives you a little demo just in case you don't know what to do, but I'm not doing it. Alright, so the first shade, this would help with the mirror. The first shade I'm taking is this one. And I'm just going to highlight my brow bone right quick. Hopefully. Oh, it look white. Oh, y'all didn't do base. Let's do some base. Now I'm taking the MILANI eyeshadow primer. I've been had this. Y'all seen it before in my drugstore tutorial. So this one ain't nothing new. I'm gonna just take this color right here, this like flesh tone color, and I'm gonna just put that all over the lid and just set it right quick. Now I'm gonna take that highlighter shade. It's not even like a highlighter shade, it's just a shimmery shade. I'm gonna take that one and I'm gonna put that on my brow bone and see how that work out, because I usually highlight my brow bone. Yeah, it's more glittery than it is a shimmer shade. So I'm taking this orange shade, y'all. I'm taking this one and I'm gonna go at my crease with that. But I'm taking this orange and bringing it down to my lid, but I'm keeping it on the outer corner of my lid. And I guess we'll just go in with the shimmer shade. So the shimmer shade I'm gonna go in, it's not even a shimmer, it just has like a little bit of sheen to it, is this one right here. And I'm just gonna put that on the rest of my lid. Can y'all see that? I don't like this. Okay, so we just gonna move on to the rest of the face. And to do that, I am taking my MILANI Retouch Erase Light Lifting Concealer. That's how that look. I got the shade 5 Honey. See what this does. Now, I've never had anything with like a cushion on the end, so I don't even know how this is gonna go right now. I like that. Wow, I really like this concealer. Wow, I feel like it bounces off light, you know. I don't know. So to set it, I got the translucent powder. This is in shade number 2, medium to deep. It says it absorbs oils and mattifies. So it says it locks in makeup. It's non-chalky. It smooths the look of fine lines and imperfections, designed to work on medium to deep skin tones. And this one, they had like several different shades. This one is kind of like tan, but they had like a lighter one and a darker one, I believe, but they had different shades. I don't know, but so far I'm liking how my overall complexion is coming together though. So I got this baked bronzer. It is number 5. Yeah, it's this color. I don't know. We'll see what it, I mean, it has like this like shimmer to it kind of, because I mean it's baked. But I don't know, I've never tried one of these baked bronzers before. They never come in my shade. I feel like this still ain't my shade, but I'm gonna just go in. Like, I see something, but it's not enough. You know what I'm saying? Like, I see something, but it's not enough to be a bronzer. Like, it's just really like face powder. So for blush, I got the number 5 Luminoso blush. It looks like this, and it came with this brush that I'm not gonna use. I feel like it's gonna be ashy. Ooh, okay, hella far. That is pigmented. Okay, it's actually not showing up, so it does give like this, it has a sheen to it, so does give some radiance to the cheeks. If you're not a fan of that, you wouldn't like it, okay? As far as the bronzer and the blush, I feel like I kind of will use them again, just because I feel like they're good for when you don't want to really do too much makeup. You just want everything to be like soft. Like I feel like they're good for the summer, you know, you just want that natural radiance to the skin. Like I feel like that's why I'm liking everything so far. Okay, so now I'm going to do highlighter, and I had to get the shade number 3 Sun Glow Strobe Light. I had to get this shade because they were out of number 4. I would have loved to get number 4. I feel like it would have been. That is a whole nose highlight for you hoes. Okay, I'm gonna just tap some weight on. I don't really like it now. All right, so now what we're gonna do, we're gonna do this under eye right quick. So we got to go back into this palette. I do not want to go back into this palette. I do not like this palette. So what I'm doing is taking that little flesh tone color, the one I set the base with, and I'm just gonna put that under there just to give it something, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna just take that orange shade and do the same thing. I was gonna get creative, but this palette done pissed me off. It done ruined all my inspiration for creativity. So next we are going to go ahead and move on to mascara. So I'm gonna take this Big and Bigger Lashes Maximum Volume Mascara. I'm gonna take this. I don't know how I feel about the brush, y'all. I don't really know. Like, this how the brush look. It looks like this, but then once you get to the bag, it's completely flat. Like, I'm not sure why they didn't finish it. Like, I just don't know what was the point of leaving that without bristles. I feel like it definitely made my lashes look better. So we just gonna do lips, y'all, and that's gonna be the end of this, okay? So I'm just gonna do this MILANI Amore Matte Lip Cream. This is called 19 Covet. It's a deep brown shade. It's really pretty. I've worn it on my channel before, so it's nothing new. I like this. I like that lip too. Like, that's why I wore it, or that's why I picked it, because I really like that lip. Like, I feel like this just added like that perfect little flair to this look. Like, I'm liking it. I'm liking how this whole thing came out. But okay, y'all, that completes today's video. Thank y'all so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Please be sure to give this video a thumbs up, and then leave some comments down below what y'all would like to see from me on my channel. And please be sure to subscribe and turn on your post notifications so you will be notified whenever I do upload. Thank y'all so much for watching. I'll see y'all in my next one. Bye, guys.